Hello guys, it's Troy Stanley as today's video tutorial by TS Tech Talks video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to post a story on your Facebook page. So with your Facebook page manager. So I've made a lot of video about the Facebook page that most of the features and most of the way it's done on the Facebook app is still similar way that it can be done on the Facebook page, just a little bit different though, but it's more easier and you can easily find things. But if you guys have any question, please leave it at a comment below. If not, I'm going to be skipping out on a lot of tutorials because I already covered most of all these options. So to post your stories on your Facebook page with your Facebook page manager, click on the icon, the second icon on the bottom left, this one, and then scroll down to this section where it says stories. Click on add stories and you'll be prompted to the camera section. All you just need to do is to click on this icon right here on the bottom left. So it gives you an option to select an image, so you can just go ahead and select any image you want. I'm okay with this one. So I hope you guys know Facebook is actually launching a Facebook Rooms, which is actually going to be competing with the Zoom application for conference calling. So the Facebook Room will actually replace that. I'm going to be making more videos about that soon. So let's go ahead and share this. It's like a caption. So once you're done with whatever you want to write, you can either place it wherever you want and share it. So after it's uploaded, it's going to be displayed on your Facebook page. Just refresh, and then you can notice there is a plus icon right here on my image. Go ahead and click on that. And you can notice it says view story. Click on the view stories. Now you can notice the stories is up there, right? So cool. This is just how to post stories on your Facebook page. If you guys watch this video and like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends so that they can watch the video and expect more videos from me, guys. See you soon. Stay home and stay safe. Peace.